Yeah. Just
Whether or not you believe it or know it, we're in a scientific, mental warfare,
this lightning barrage.
or you could say spiritual warfare between devil and the original Asiatic black man, or Allah, the Satan.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Oh, dude, fuck that, bro.
Nature against nature against
Hit that tree. Inside now.
weapons of mass destruction.
Not right.
Oh my!
Cut myself then. Yeah? I ain't going out now.
They laughing. But people are getting killed. Just with electric strikes. Electricity.
Oh my God, that did not just happen.
In 1930, almost probably 90 years ago from today's date, could be a few years more, Master Farad let himself be known in Detroit. They say he was here 20 years without people knowing who he really was. He was in LA hanging out, various other places, living among his enemy, the devils, the Caucasian. And he came to lift up one, the Honorable Elijah Muhammad, here in Detroit. He was teaching the Honorable Elijah Muhammad for 3.5 years, along with his younger brother, John Muhammad, preparing us for this very day, the war of Armageddon, the war between Satan and Allah. Allah using forces of nature and mental, it's more than mental telepathy. It's for lack of a better word, mental telepathy. Because people say spiritual warfare, but spiritual warfare is really mental warfare. And the Caucasians has developed all your devices And he's controlling all your devices, handheld devices, television. He could hear and turn your TV on and off. Yeah. And all through remote switches. And for 90 years, Nation of Islam been telling you before. You see all these people, hear all these people talking about prepare yourself. Young Elijah Muhammad was telling his followers to prepare themselves 90 years ago. Stock up on food and water. He was teaching people how to eat to live. He was telling people to boil their water. So, Savior's Day started 1930. Since then, brothers done fell off. They compromising with the devil. A lot of y'all doing it. Even though you don't think you're doing it. See, you're supposed to be right now protecting yourself against them launching all these variant viruses in more ways than one. But you're going along with it. And they're going to keep on doing it because they scientists work 24/7 around the clock. See, Master Farad Muhammad came with this type of wisdom.
Neither the enemy nor yourself, you will succumb in every battle. Sun Tzu. War is part of life. It's in the nature of most living organisms to engage in battle, defeat opponents, and to dominate. With humans, we see this happen in war, in business, on the soccer field, in video games, in a nightclub, and even on YouTube. And chances are that when we're not engaging in a battle with our environment, we're waging war against ourselves. The Art of War by Sun Tzu is an ancient Chinese military text, composed of 13 chapters that war shouldn't be taken lightly, that the highest form of warfare is defeating the enemy without fighting, and that being still and inscrutable is the business of a general.